toxic things you probably use every day. Scientists are now realizing the chemicals found in a wide array of household goods are more toxic than previously thought. Since health and wellness is not simply about diet and exercise, but also about limiting exposure to toxic things, it's a good idea to become aware of these items and take action steps to remove them wherever possible. Number 1. Perfumes. A study by the Environmental Protection Agency found that potentially hazardous chemicals can commonly be found in fragrances. Toxic chemicals like benzaldehyde, camphor, ethyl acetate, benzyl acetate, linalool, acetone and methylene chloride can, when inhaled, cause dizziness, nausea, drowsiness, irritation to throat, eyes, skin, and lungs, kidney damage and headaches. Number 2. Mattresses. The health problems associated with PBDE exposure include brain and reproductive damage, decreased sperm quality and thyroid problems, and this is particularly worrying since we spend a third of our lives in bed. Number 3. Cleaning products. You are probably aware that many of the cleaning products you use every day have harmful chemicals in them. Number 4. Air fresheners. Air fresheners help keep our homes nice, but that when used excessively or in unventilated area they release toxic levels of pollutants. Number 5. Plastic food containers. Many plastic containers are made from chemicals such as phthalates, which can interfere with the body's endocrine system to produce adverse developmental, reproductive and neurological effects in humans, and since the plastic breaks down over time it can cause the release of these dangerous chemicals into your food. Number 6. Plastic drink bottles. We're all aware by now that plastic bottles aren't great for the environment, but though they can also leak toxic chemicals into your drink. Number 7. Cosmetics. The average person applies between 6 and 12 cosmetic items per day, and most of these will include toxic chemicals that are potentially harmful to you. Number 8. Antiperspirants. Most people wear antiperspirant to avoid odor, but one of the sweat-blocking ingredients found in many antiperspirants is aluminum. In recent years questions have been raised about whether the aluminum in antiperspirants can contribute to the development of breast cancer. Number 9. Fabric softeners. Softeners work by coating your clothes with a thin layer of potentially toxic chemicals, such as quaternary ammonium salts. These can cause skin irritation, respiratory problems, and headaches. Number 10. Non-stick cookware. While non-stick cookware can save you some cleaning time, it comes at a cost. At high temperatures the polytetrafluoroethylene that makes Teflon non-sticky gives off a toxic gas that has been linked to reproductive problems and other health issues. Number 11. Baby care products. Surprisingly, the flame retardants used in some baby care products, like high chairs, cribs and strollers, can leak toxic chemicals. The chemicals from flame retardants include bromine and chlorine, which have been linked to a number of sexual and neurological disorders. Number 12. Shower curtains. Phthalates has been associated with causing harmful effects in children and impacting brain functions, like learning and memory. Number 13. Bug sprays. Bug killers should be avoided inside, and ideally outside, of your house, as researchers have linked the insecticides to neurological damage in children. Number 14. Canned food. Bisphenol A, BPA, found in most canned food containers, is a hormone-disrupting chemical linked to male infertility, heart disease and diabetes. Number 15. Corn and soybeans. Roundup affects defensive enzymes our bodies use to keep us healthy, and Roundup-ready crops, RR crops, are genetically engineered crops that have their DNA altered to allow them to withstand the herbicide. These crops include items such as corn and soybeans. It's always better to buy organic. Number 16. Dry cleaned clothes. While it may be more convenient to drop your clothing off with a dry cleaner, the cleaning chemical they use is usually perchloroethylene, known as PCE. It is classified as a probable carcinogen and has been linked to liver, kidney, and central nervous system damage. Number 17. Cell phones. There has been a surge in radio frequency, RF, exposure from wireless devices over the last decade, which has led to a huge increase in reports of hypersensitivity and diseases related to electromagnetic field and RF exposure. RF exposure has been linked with a wide variety of diseases such as cancer, immune dysfunction, neurological disease, and reproductive disorders. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends, so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and remember to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.